Good to see you guys again today. So I am so happy to be launching a couple of things on Isle of Skin. So
Yes, some of you know what we are going to be launching already, but there is also one more surprise. Okay.
and that is, you know how much I love the brand Pyangkang Yul, and they have come up with a limited edition gift box, and you will find this on Isle of Skin starting today. And this is the gift box. So this, as I've said, I've always said that Pyangkang Yul as a brand is something that is safe for lactating and pregnant women. This is created by the Pyangkang Yul Herbal Medicine Hospital in South Korea. They come up with a beautiful hypoallergenic, safe for everybody sort of a skincare line. Because it's an herbal medicine hospital, their ingredients are very, very simple. So anyway, this is the Pyangkang Yul's gift box. We have the essence toner, the nutrition cream, and the moisture serum. This is hyper hydrating, healing, balancing, and barrier repairing. So basically, the moisture serum is something that if you have dry, dehydrated, barrier compromised, sensitive skin, this would be a great product to apply onto your skin. This is a little viscous, so you want to be applying this post toning and some other lighter, thinner serum, and then you will apply the moisture serum, because this one is really thick. So you want to be applying this then. Thereafter, the ideal order would be, if you are somebody who's pregnant or lactating and you want to have like a skincare routine that will nourish and heal your skin, you're looking at double cleansing using the essence toner, then the moisture serum and the nutrition cream, and you are good to go. That is basically it. So happy. And the most important thing is that because this is like a limited edition gift box, it is available at 10% off on Isle of Skin. So go and grab these limited edition boxes. I'm so happy. Even otherwise, even if you're not somebody who's having any preconditions on what you want to be looking at your skincare, if you want to have like a really gentle, beautiful set of skincare for your dry, dehydrated, sensitive, or even normal skin types, the nutrition cream is amazing as a night cream. The essence toner, as you know, I've been using it forever. From the time that I bought it on YesStyle and I had an empty bottle eventually. You'll find that on my YouTube channel. I basically wanted to buy it for my skin because it's a very highly reviewed product, right? So, hey, Jimbles, ellarum inga vaanga.
Nee vada.
I think today our puppies are in one very fighting mood. Yeah. Say hi, Upli. Hi. Did you say hi like that? Can you smile and say hi? Yeah. Also say, hello humans. This is very safe. This is not tested on animals, so it is very good. I don't want somebody to come after me. This is my own puppy, ma. There is no cruelty involved in this. Okay, so Pyangkang Yul is also a vegan, cruelty-free brand. So that's also, this is something that we keep in mind when we curate brands on Isle of Skin. Some products are of course not vegan, and you know that. Basically, the propolis cream, snail cream, that won't come under vegan, but they are all cruelty-free. Okay,
And the most important launch,
the other important launch for today. Tapli, since you actually sleep by my side and you take up my pillow space, do you want to tell people what you share? Yeah, you want to share? Okay, so basically our puppies, so when we sleep, right, Jillu has a tendency to just be my headband. Potato will sleep here, Upuli's head will be here. So even if I want to turn this side and that, I have to make sure that I'm not irritating any of these people while sleeping, because they are taking up all the space on the pillow. So this one is like this. Juju, look. Say juju juju juju. Juju juju. Do juju juju. Put a kadchu. Oh yeah, that's cute aggression coming. Okay. So this launch has been in the making for a very long time. I'm super proud. And thanks to our entire team of Isle of Skin.
so we are launching the silk pillowcase on Isle of Skin. I'm so happy.
So these are our original jewel tones and our normal undyed white. So this is 100% mulberry silk. It is sourced from handloom people, and also this is stitched by a really lovely unit here in Tamil Nadu, is locally sourced. This is also a women run unit, and the women are paid fair prices. We made sure that this is a unit which makes sure that the employees are insured, and there is a fair price that is paid to them as salaries. And this is, we are so happy to be announcing that we have 6 shades in the pillowcase. So this is the first one. This will fit your standard pillowcase size, and we have this in this blue and a darker, this would be, I think, violet or a darker blue, or Mithai pink, Mithai pink and Rani pink. Okay, now is this peacock green or blue? You decide, ma. Okay, so these are the 6 shades that will be available on Isle of Skin starting today. Go and grab them. And since this is locally sourced, so happy to be supporting a lot of women who are in this business, right from sourcing the silk to getting this stitched to launching it on Isle of Skin. We are so happy that we have been able to collaborate with the right people to get this done. So go ahead and grab. So you have silk pillowcases available on Isle of Skin. Next week we also have a very exciting launch. And just reminding you about the Pyeongkang Yule's limited edition gift box, which is available at 10% off on the site. So go ahead and grab, and you will get these 3 products with this box when you order it. I can't wait for you guys to try this and let me know. The most important thing is that the silk pillowcase is great for all types of hair. I know that it's perfect for it's perfect for curly haired people, but it is also great for thinner hair or frizzy hair or silkier hair. It is generally great for hair fall simply because it reduces the friction. And the other thing about the silk pillowcases, ideally, please, you just need to hand wash it. Just dip and dry in a simple detergent. It is also great if you generally tend to have a sensitive scalp. Some people tend to Some people tend to have a condition where the scalp can hurt a little bit. So this silk pillowcase will also help in general to calm your scalp. As such, it is great also for your skin, so that if you're a side sleeper and you tend to sleep like this or sleep like that or like that, you will not have wrinkle lines on your face the next morning. You will not have these fabric lines on your face the next morning. So it's great for your face, it's great for your hair, and we are super happy to be launching this. I hope you guys like it. Please let us know what you think and what you'd like us to launch next. Until I see you next time, this is Chime saying bye.